ओम यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। In the conclusion of this chapter of Vedanta Paribhasha, we saw Jnanam will remove Sanchita karma. Sanchita karmas are of two types, Sukrita and Dushkrita. Those who give respect to Jivan Muktas, Sadhu Purushas, and their Punya karmas come to the people who, so there means Jivan Muktas, Punya karma, Brahmajnani's Punya karma comes to such people, Shishya Bhakti. And those who are the Dushkruta, they will get the Papa karma. So in this way, Sukruta, Dushkruta, both Nasha will take place. For Brahmajnani, they are not there. Then there was one question. After Brahmajnanam, Jivan Mukta, his Prarabdha will be over or Prarabdha will continue? Will he immediately have Mrityu? So it is said no, as long as Prarabdha is there, that much part of avidya will continue. So it is called Pratibandha Jnanam. Pratibandhaka is Prarabdha. Prarabdha will not allow that person to die. Jivan Mukta, Jnani. He has to complete his Prarabdha. And then, if there is one Mula Vidya or many Mula Vidya, if there is one Mula Vidya, when it is destroyed, then everybody should attain liberation. So it is said, no, we can have many Mula Vidyas based on Indro Maya Bihi Pururupa Iyate. Or you can say one Mula Vidya, but many Avaranas. So only the one in whose Antakarana Jnanam will take place, that person's Avarana is gone. Others' Avarana will remain. They will have to work for their own moksha. See page number 230 now. Anyatu eka eva vidya tasyaha eva vidyaha jiva bhedena brahma swarupa avarana shaktayo nana. This we saw. Now you see, Atayava in Moolam. Atayava Yavad Adhikaram Avasthitihi Adhikarina. This is Brahma Sutra 3.3.32. Iti asmin adhikarane adhikari purushanam utpanna tattva-jnananam indradinam dehadharana ashankya अधिकार आपादक प्रारब्ध कर्म समाप्त्यनंतरम विदेह कैवल्यम इति सिद्धांतितम. In Brahma Sutra 3.332, Yavad Adhikaram Avasthitihi Adhikarinam. Here, Adhikari means the Mukhya Devatas, which are appointed, like Indra, Agni, etc. Yama. All these devatas, they have very specific role. And therefore, until this role is over, they will have to remain in their position. Their position means Mrityu has to remain in that Yama position and he has to do whatever he is supposed to do. In the same way, other devatas also. So, if one cycle of their duration is over, and if they are assigned another cycle to remain there, to continue there, they will continue because they are Adhikari Purusha. So, Yavad Adhikaram, as long as their Adhikara is there, Avasthitihi Adhikarinam. Adhikari Purushanam Avasthiti. They will have to continue in that body, in that position. Iti Asmin Adhikarane Adhikari Purushanam Utpanna Tattva Jnananam. Even though they have knowledge, means they are Brahmajnani, Utpanna Tattva Jnananam, but they are Adhikari Purushas, like Indradina, Deha Dharana Anupapattim Ashankya. So somebody will do this Ashanka, that if Jnanam is there, why would they continue in the body, Deha, or why would they do Deha Dharanam? Deha Dharana Anupapattim Ashankya Adhikari Apadaka Prarabdha Karma Samapti Anantaram Videha Kaivalyam iti Siddhantitam. So until their Adhikar Apadaka Prarabdha Karma Samapti does not happen, they will continue in that position. Like Bhagavan Vedvyasi, if you know or if you have heard, he continued in that body longer until his prarabdha, means his role was over basically. They have to complete their role. And if their role demands that they have to live in that body longer, they will have to live. This is, so Adhikari Purusha means people like Bhagavan Vedvyasi or Devatas like Indra, Agni, etc. So they have to remain in that position longer. Thereafter, they will have Videha Kaivalyam. Iti Siddhantitam. This Siddhantena Upapaditam. This is called Siddhantitam. Siddhantitam here because whatever is given in Brahma Sutra is our Siddhanta. What is said in Brahma Sutra is Vedanta Siddhanta. Not that it is not said in Upanishad. It is said in Upanishad, but in Upanishad you will not find such explanation or assertion that Yavad Adhikaram Avasthiti Adhikarinam. So because there is a doubt, because there is doubt, it is taken for discussion in Brahma Sutra. And whatever resolution is made in Brahma Sutra is Siddhanta now. So, Brahma Sutra, you should think of it in this light. Whenever we study Brahma Sutras, that if there is any doubt about Upanishad mantra interpretation, any word, whatever conclusion is arrived at in Brahma Sutra is Vedanta. And there are certain topics, if they are not discussed in Brahma Sutra, but if they are discussed in Mandukya, then that is a Siddhanta. If they are discussed in Brahadaranyaka Upanishad, then that is a Siddhanta. These are our Mukhya Akara Granthas. Now, Taduktam Acharya Vachaspati Mishra. Vachaspati Mishra ji has given a shloka. उपासनादि संसिद्धि तोषितेश्वर चोदितम अधिकारम समाप्यैते प्रविशन्ति परम पदम इति. उपासनादि संसिद्धि तोषित ईश्वर चोदितम अधिकारम. Adhikaram means this Indra, Agni, whatever that position, given by Ishvara. Ishvarana Choditam, Ishvara Choditam. Means Paramatma has appointed these people. Like how Bhagavan Ved Vyasji had a role to do Veda Vibhajana. And appointing Shishyas for Purvamimamsa, Jaimini Maharshi ji, then others, then writing sutras, writing Puranas. This is their Adhikaritva. So Adhikaram Samapya. Who will get this? Upasanadi Samsiddhi Toshita. The one who has, through Upasana, has acquired the Tadatmya with Ishvara and has, Toshita means pleased Bhagavan. So Upasana you have to complete. Samsiddhi means until the end of that Upasana, which is Tadatmya with Ishvara or Ishwar Darshan. When that happens, by that, when Bhagavan is pleased, then Bhagavan has given some role. Like how we say in Ramayana, etc. Hanumanji was asked that you stay here. Bhagavan departed, but Hanumanji has to stay. So, until how long? That is the Adhikara. Adhikaram Samapya, when that role is over, then Parampadam, Ete Parampadam Pravishanti. Ete Adhikarinaha. All these Adhikaris, they Brahmajnanis, they shall attain Parampadam. In Tika, on next page. Kaihi Siddhantitam iti apekshayam aha taduktam. So, who has given it in Siddhanta? So, Vachaspati Mishra in Brahma Sutra, Bhamati Tika, he has given this. Further, idameva matam samyak iti dyotanaya aha etaccha. This matam is samyak matam to show that in Mulam, etaccha ekamuktau sarvamuktiriti pakshe nopapadyate. In this paksha, where ekamuktau sarvamukti, this will not work. That somebody is getting liberated, but the adhikari purushas, they have to continue. So this will be valid only if ekamuktau sarvamukti is not true, which is our anubhava also. One Mahatma gets liberation, everyone doesn't get it. Tika, yasmad evam tasmat eka vidya pakshe api प्रतिजीवम आवरण भेदोपगमेन व्यवस्था उपपादनीया. Therefore, Pratijivam Avarana Bheda Upagamena. Accepting that in each jiva, separate avarana is there, we can do Vyavastha of Mula Vidya, Prarabdha, etc. Tadevam. Vyavastha means in Tika, Baddha Mukta Vyavastha. What Vyavastha Upapadanam we will do? Bondage and liberation. Who will get bandhana? Who will get liberation? Eka Avidya, but Pratijiva Avarana Bheda. Parichedartham Nigamayati. So now he concludes this chapter and the text also. Tadevam Brahma Jnanat Mokshaha. Sacha Anartha Nivrittihi Niratishaya Brahmananda Avaptischa iti Siddham Prayojanam. So what is the purpose of Vedanta Siddhanta? He concludes. So Brahma Jnanat Moksha. Moksha you will get only through Brahma Jnana. Sacha Anartha Nivrittihi. What is moksha? Anartha nivritti, all dukkha nivritti, and niratishaya brahmananda avapti, niratishaya brahmananda prapti. Iti siddham prayojanam. This prayojanam is siddham. Now, in Tika, there are two shlokas. Mulakrit sununa tyaktam parityaktam cha visputam vyakhyata dushitam tena mayedancha vibhushitam. Vyakyatam, anuswar should be there. Vyakyatam dushitam tena mayedam cha vibhushitam. Mulakrit, who is the Mulakara?
Dharmaraja Advarendra.
Dharmaraja Advarendra. Mulakrit. Mulakrit, his Sunu. Sunu means his putra. Mulakrit Sununa Atyaktam. What was not rejected by his son of this author, and parityaktam cha visputam, and what was rejected also, which is very well known. Tena dushitam vyakhyatam. What was, who is writing this shloka? You remember? This shloka is written by the Tikakara. This is Tikakar's Mangalacharanam. So what Tikakar did, he took Dharmaraj Advarendra's book writing and he wrote commentary. But Dharmaraj Advarendra's son also took his father's commentary or father's Moolam, and in some places he has contradicted his father. So that's why he says, Tena dushitam vyakhyatam. Whatever incorrectly his son has commented upon or whatever he has rejected. So whatever he has not rejected, aparityaktam. Whatever he has rejected, whatever he has incorrectly commented, maya idam cha vibhushitam. I have taken all of that and I have glorified, means I have very well defined the work of the Mulakara. This is first shloka. Now the second shloka is if you can, it's you just listen. It's little longer shloka. You are mute, so you can chant on your own there. गोचारेडनकेडिरेड भिनुतो गोत्रात्मजेडाखिलेड व्याडेडाप्ततनुः कविड् नगतद्विट् चण्डभेरुण्डः घोराच्छुद्धधियाधिकत्वडमल क्षीरोत्थविभ्राडजः सस्यादभ्र रूढभ्रवाडविदुरं देवो दृढो मे मृडः. Tikakar has used so many shabdas which indicate it. It means Isha. That takara becomes dakara. So id. You will see so many dakara in this. The last line you see first. Sasyad Abhrarud. Actually, Tippani Ikar has explained this. You see on the next page in Tippani. Tippani means the footnote. Saha lok, last line you see. Last line of just about Tippani number 1. Saha lok ved prasiddho mrudo devaha abhiduram santatam yatha tatha me dridha syat ityartha. Saha lok ved prasiddha. The one who is loka and veda prasiddha, Bhagavan Shiva. He is talking about Shiva. Mrida. So in one of the name is Bhagavan Shiva's Mrida. So Mridaya Namaha. In Veda it is given. Mrudo Devaha, Mahadeva. Abhiduram. Abhiduram means Santatam. Yatha me dridha syat tatha. Yatha tatha me dridha syat. How he becomes firm to me. Means how I am, I see oneness with him. Me dridha syat. What kind of Bhagavan Shiva is that? So see Tippani from beginning now. Gochareda. Gochara. Tippani. Gam prithivim charanti iti gocharaha. Karmani an. Gam prithivim charanti iti gocharaha. Tesham ishaha. Gocharaha it means sannyasi. Those who roam around, parivrajaka, on the earth. Their Ishvara is Tesham ishaha, Swaminaha, Bhagavan Shiva. Isha dhatu, Isha Aishwarye, iti ataha kartari quip. When kartari quip pratyaya comes, means what? Kartari quip pratyaya means he is the karta. That is the role of kartari quip. Like in sad dhatu, upani upasarga purvak, shadri visharna gati avasana dhatu, quip pratyaya. That quip is kartari quip. Kartari quip means karta role. So here also he is karta. Isha Aishwarye iti ataha means Aishwarya karta. Evam agre api. In the same way, in the rest of the shloka also you have to apply. Kam means sukham. So first word is gocharet. What is the next word?
Anaka.
anaked, then irate, then abhinuto, gochared. So that first word he explained. Gam charantiti gocharaha tesham it, gochared. The Ishvara of sannyasis. Sannyasi means parivrajaka or viraktas. Then kam means sukham. So this is anaked shabda. Kam sukham. Nakam means akam. Akam means dukkham. Kam means sukham. Nakam means akam. Akam means dukkham. Na akam asmin iti anakam. Anakam means swargaha. And Tippanikar says apaniniyam is not paniniya vyutpatti. Apaniniyam. So anakam is swargaha. So in this shloka, anaked is there. So anakam, anakasya it, anaked. Like Ramayaha it,
Ramet.
Ramet. But it will become Ramesh. Here he has, instead of ish, he has used it. So Ramet. So like that here, anaked. Then irate. Ira means Prithvi. In Tika he has given a tippani, Ira Patala. Tasya Ishaha Swamina. So irate. So the one who is the Lord of Swarga, one who is the Lord of Patala, one who is also the Lord of this entire earth and those who are moving on. Tasya Ishaha Swaminascha Te Taihi Abhinuto. So by Prithvivasi and Swargavasi, Patalvasi, by all of them, Abhinuto means Abhishtutaha. Tu instuto dhatu. Abhishtutaha means is very well praised, worshipped, whose stotras are sung by people. अर्थात स्वर्ग मृत्यु पातालाधिपैहि स्तुतः इत्यर्थः. By स्वर्ग मृत्यु पाताल अधिपैहि. मृत्यु means मृत्युलोक, this Prithvi. Adhipa means Raja, the kings of heaven, Prithvi and Patala. So he has not taken sannyasi artha, how I gave gocharet. He gave the meaning king of this earth. Means wise people, you take it. Then next shabda, abhinuto, gotratmajet, akhilet. So gotratmajet, gotra, gotratmaja, Parvati, tasya it. And akhilet means Jagadisha. Gotratmaja. Gotratmaja means Parvati. They have given the meaning. Tasyaha Ishvara, the one who is the Ishvara of Parvati, means Shiva. And Akhilet, Akhilet means Jagadisha. We'll just go by what is given without dwelling much on meaning outside of the Tippanikara. This is enough for our thinking. Jagadisha, next word. Gotratmajed, Akhilet, Vyadedapta Tanuhu. Vyat. So he explains. Vyalaha sarpaha. Tesham it. Vasuki. Vasuki sarpa. Tena apta tanur yasya. The one whose body is pervaded by this Vasuki. Anuprasa anurodhena dalayor abhedaha. Based on the anuprasa. Anuprasa means the rhyming in English, what we call. This is a chanda, anuprasa. Actually, alankara it is called. Alankara, anuprasa. So, shabdanuprasa, antyanuprasa, that is called anuprasa. Dalayor abhedaha, da and la. So, in the shloka, instead of vyala, he has used vyada. He has used so many da, in concluding in mrida. So, vyaded apta. He could have said vyaled apta, but vyaded apta tanu. Then kavinam it. Next shabda is kavid. What is kavid? Kavinam it, kavid. Kavinam ushana kavi Shukracharya. Tam anugata daityaha tan dveshti iti daityarihi. The Kavinam it is Shukracharya. His followers are Daitya, Anugata, Daitya. Tan dveshti. Who does not like the Daityas? Devatas. Iti Daityarihi. So Paramatma, he is Daityari. Kavid. Then what is the next word? Nagata.
Nugata.
It should be no, not na. Kavid Nugata Dvid. So Anugata actually. Dakara should not have halant also. Kavid Danugata Nugata Dvid. So do that. In Kavid, halanta should go and Nugata, make it Nagata into Nugata. Nugata Dvid. Chanda Bherundaha. So in Tippani, Chando yo Bherundo, Daitya Vishesha, some terrible Rakshasa called Bherunda, Tam Hanti, iti Chanda Bherundaha. Gava, further, Gorat, Gava Nandikena Rajate, Asau Gorat. Gau Shabda indicates cow or bull?
Both Swami.
It works in both linga, Strilinga as well as Pullinga. So here Pullinga you have to understand. Gava Nandikena Rajate Asau Gorat, Shiva. This kind of stuti of Bhagavan Shiva is very rare. Shuddha Diya Adhikatvid Alaukika Kantihi. The one who has Alaukika Kanti. Gorat Shuddha Diya Adhikatvid. So Shuddha Dhiya Adhikatvit, Alaukika Kanti, because of the Chitta Shuddhi, Vishuddha Sattva, Alaukika brightness is there. And he is Amalaha, Nishkalankaha. Kshirodha Chandraha Tena Vibhrajate iti. Amala Kshirodha Vibhradajaha. The one for whom Chandrama, which is shining on his head, forehead, which has risen from Samudra Manthana. Kshirodha Chandraha Tena Vibhrajate. Vibhrajate Kaha Shivaha. So he is Vibhradajaha. Sasyat, that is the final line now. Ajaha ajanma, abre swarge rohanti jayante, abradajah, abra, what is that shabda? Abra, vibradajah. Abre sarge rohanti jayante iti abraruha devaha, tesham abravat. Abravat, oh next line, sasyad abraruda bravat. Abravat is Indra. Abrarudha means devatas. Tesham Abravad Indraha Mahadeva ityartha. Indra means Indra, one is Paramatma also. One meaning of Indra is Paramatma. Like Indro Maya Vihi Pururupa, Maya Mula Vidya, Indra means Paramatma. Mahadeva ityartha. Saha Loka Ved Prasiddho Mrudo Devaha Abhiduram Santatam Yatha Tatha Me Dridha Syad ityartha. So may that Lord Shiva be pleased with me. In this way, one shloka he has done. Tikakara. So two shlokas we have seen. Third shloka, Swajana, this is page number 232. Swajana Vadanachari, Papa Sanghapahari, Swajana Vadanakari, Prolasat Gatradhari, Vikacharadhanasari, Jyotisnakandakari, ज्योतिस्नकानंदकारी मदन सुषमकारी सोस्तु में हृदविहारी. This is, most of the words are easy. Swajana Vadanachari, the one who roams around on the mouth, means in the mouth of his devotee. Swajana means we take Bhagwan's name. So we are the Swajana. Swajana Vadanachari. Papa Sanghapahari. Papa Sanghasya Apahari. Papa Sangha, Papa Samuha, whatever sins that we have accumulated, he removes them. Apahari. Swajana Vadanakari. And he is also, Vadana means Mukham. So Swajana Mukham, Kari, Prolasad Gatradhari. Swajana Vadanakari means he pleases or he brings the delight on the face of his bhaktas. Prolasad Gatradhari, whose all the gatras, limbs are all very beautiful. Ullasat means they are in delightful mood. Vikachara Dhanasari, that is given in Tippani number 1. Vikachanam Vikasitanam Radhananam Dantanam Saraha Varatanam So Asya Asti Iti. Vikachara Dhanasari. Vikasitanam Radhan means Danta, the teeth. their sara is Vikacharadana. Sari. Varatanam. Varatanam is Sreshtham. Jyoti. Jyotis. Nakanandakari. Jyotsnikananda, not Jyoti. Jyotsnikanandakari. Jyotsana means shine. Jyotsnika Ananda. Ananda which is arising from Jnanam. That is Jyotsnika Ananda. Jyotsnika Anandakari. Karoti iti kari, dharati iti dhari. Like that you have to apply everywhere. Charati iti chari. Harati iti hari. Madana Shushamakari. Tippani. Madana Sushamam Sundaram Karoti. Madanat Sushamakari iti va. So Madana Shushamam Sundaram Karoti iti one, or Madanat Sushamakari. So as to me Hridvihari, that Bhagavan Krishna you can say, because Madana Sushamam Karoti. Madana means Kamadeva. He makes Kamadeva also purified. Means his Abhimana is taken away. And if you use Bhagavan Shiva, then the Bhagavan Shiva destroyed Kamadeva so that he could go back to his Mula Swarupa. May he do vihara in my heart, so as to me Hridvihari. So in this way, one more shloka is there. When did he complete this text? Gotranga Vasuta Reshamite Samvatsare Shubhe Phalgune Sita Saptamyam Vrishe Siddha Guraviyam. Yam Gurau Siddha. When Gotranga Vasuta Reshamite means in 1867 Samvatsara, Shubhe Phalgune in the Phalguna Masa, Sita Saptami means Sita means Shukla Paksha. Shukla Paksha Saptami. On that day, he presented his work to his guru. And if he's physically not there, at least he offered at the feet of his teacher. In this way, Tika by Shivadatta Sarma, that Tika is complete, and the Tippani is somebody called Mulji Bhatt, Saurashtra Antargata Dharanga Dhara Vastavya Mulji Bhatt, Sunu, his son, Trambakaram Shastri ji. He has written the Tippani. And the Mulakara, he has completed Dharmaraja Dikshita. Vedanta Paribhasha is complete now. So, the main idea in this text was 6 pramanas, and why did the topic of pramana come? Because Ajnana Nivritti will happen only through Brahma Jnana. If Ajnanam does not go, repeated cycles of birth and death will continue. So ajnana nivritti will happen through jnanam. Jnanam will come only through pramana. Pramanas are 6. Which pramana will apply for Brahma Jnanam? So it is said Shastra Pramana. So other pramanas were discussed, and then Shastra Pramana, what is the Vishaya, subject matter of Shastra, and what is the Prayojanam of Brahma Jnanam? These two things were there. So total 8 chapters, 6 chapters for 6 pramana, then subject matter of Vedanta and purpose of Vedanta. In this way, the summary was presented and so many different topics were taken up, and this text is highly studied by most students of Vedanta. Very beautiful text. So by Bhagwan's grace, we have completed the text today. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.